So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add the wireless display feature on your Windows laptop or computer or on any window that you have. Now, in order to do it, simply open the settings of a window. Now here in the settings, you simply need to search for optional features on the search bar. Simply search for optional features. Here you'll see this option, and here you'll see this option of view or edit optional feature. Just simply click on this option of view, hit yes, and here you need to search for a wireless display. Just simply make sure click on this option of see available features. Now again search for wireless display and you'll see this option that is wireless display. Just simply check mark it and hit add, and you'll notice that it will take some time. It will install on your system. It requires the internet connection, so make sure that you are on the internet connection, and once you do that, you'll notice that the wireless display feature has been installed on your laptop. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.